Today we're making broad beans curry. So we're going to start, and this is really good because it requires no chopping. So we will start with heating about 1 tablespoon of oil. So we start with putting some methi seeds, fenugreek seeds, rye, mustard, jeeru, cumin, so as you can see they've started popping. Now I'll add some asafoetida powder. The jeeru has started taking a color, so I'm just going to put in the broad beans now. So I've used up my entire bag. Give it a little mix. I'm going to start adding the spices. So we have some salt, turmeric, I've just grated some ginger, some crushed chilli, and I'm just going to add some water to let it cook now. I will put about, let's see, about half a glass. I'm just going to cover it up and let it cook. So this has been cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes. I've been intermittently checking and stirring. So you can just squish one and see it's cooked. It's soft. Also, the water has all disappeared. So I'm going to add, this is 2 chopped tomatoes. So I'm going to add that. I am going to add some dana jeera powder, a healthy 1 spoon. And then I'm going to add a tiny amount of gore or jaggery. You don't have to, but some people like it with a little bit of sweet taste. Just give it a mix. Let it cook for a couple of minutes until the tomatoes soften. At this point, if you've got absolutely no water remaining, like mine, there is risk of it sticking. So perhaps add just a tiny amount, very, very tiny amount of water. Just give it a stir. You can see there is a little bit of water, and just cover it and let it cook for a couple of minutes. So it's been a couple of minutes and the tomato looks soft. It's cooked. The water is also nearly gone. So ready to be eaten, ready to be served. Okay, so I've just dished it up. So you've got your broad bean curry with some rotis or chapatis, a little bit of salad on the side, and some papad. And enjoy.